I've been starting and growing 6- and 7-figure online businesses for years, and I've never seen anything like this. What you're watching here on my screen is my team of AI agents building my newest online business for me. It's literally chatting and negotiating with suppliers for me. Well, I'm not even sitting at my laptop. And this is what starting a one-person business should look like. You having free time to do what you want, while AI does the time-consuming tasks for you. The problem is, all the annoying AI tech bros here on YouTube overcomplicate it, making you think you need to spend hours coding your own AI skills, building your own complicated AI systems, or connecting 20 different AI tools or apps together. But I'm telling you right now, you do not need all of that, because I built this team of automated agents in less than 20 minutes, and I didn't have to code or train a single thing. And I did it with just one AI app. It's called Accio Work, and it can do things Claude Code can only dream of, if it could dream. Because Accio Work comes completely pre-trained on data from millions of real online businesses and actual products. You don't have to train or code anything yourself, giving you hours of free time back. All you have to do is tell it what you want, how much money you want to make, or what products you want to sell, and it starts building your online business for you. Honestly, it's easier if I just show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm back at my desk, and here you can see I'm inside the Accio Work desktop app. And in the center is the AI agent chat box, where you can chat in regular language to build or automate whatever you want. And here you can also see my first prompt. Now, what this prompt is doing is asking Accio Work to start researching popular products that are selling right now within a specific niche and for a specific audience. Because without a product to sell, you don't have a business. And choosing a product is where I see most beginners struggle at the very beginning. And like I mentioned earlier, because Accio Work was trained on data from millions of real businesses and real products, it's an expert at doing product research, where if you've been using Claude Code to do your product research, it doesn't have access to any actual business or consumer data. So it just guesses based on internet search results or its outdated knowledge base, which can literally destroy your business before it even gets started. Now, I'm going to submit the first prompt, but before I do that, I'm going to click up here and choose which AI agent I want to use for this task. Accio Work's AI agents are what allow you to not just research, but also create time freedom by getting them to do automated tasks for you. I'm going to show you how to automate tasks in the next step, but like I said earlier, Accio Work already has a team of pre-built agents ready to go, which you can see right here. For this first task, I'm going to use the general Accio assistant agent. But if you don't see an AI agent here for the task you want to complete, you can build a custom one in about 30 seconds using the library of pre-built skills. But for now, let's submit this first prompt and see if Accio Work can research a winning product for us. Now, as it gets to work, you can watch everything the Accio Assistant is doing in real time right here. I sped it up slightly for this video, but you can see it's analyzing my prompt. Next, it creates a checklist of tasks that it needs to complete. Then it researches marketplace data for me, finding top-selling products for my exact audience. And once it's done researching, it creates a full report for me. I'll scroll through the response it gave me slowly so you can see it. Feel free to pause if you want to read it, but remember, when you're doing this, your response will be completely different. And here you can see the link to the report that it created for me. And when I click on it, you can see it includes everything I need to pick the best products for my new business, including the name, the problem it solves, the estimated sales, reviews, and the average price. It then lists the top 3 product choices that it recommends for me, which is backed by real data. And the report even goes one step further and gives me a simple marketing plan to help me reach my 10K goal as quickly as possible. Now, at this point, once you have your product recommendations, you can decide to create one of 2 different one-person businesses using this data. You can either go the affiliate marketing route, where you promote these exact products through an affiliate link. Then each time someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission for every sale. Or you can go the e-commerce route and build your own online store or brand selling these products in your own Shopify store, which allows you to keep 100% of the profit instead of just receiving a commission. The biggest difference is you have to buy the inventory up front and pay for the shipping. But I've done both of these business models and have made over 6 figures doing both. So I can truthfully say that there's no wrong answer here. It really just depends which route you personally feel more drawn to. If you choose to go the affiliate marketing route, which in my opinion is simpler for beginners because you don't have to buy any inventory upfront or ship any products yourself, all you have to do is click the product link inside of the report that Accio Work created for you, which will take you to the Amazon product page like this. Then just click here to create your affiliate link for this product so you can start promoting it through your blog, website, or social media account. If you're not an Amazon affiliate partner already, you'll have to sign up here to start earning commissions. In a second, I'm also going to show you how to create your own e-commerce store where you can sell these products yourself through a Shopify store, but there's no way you could research your audience and find winning products this quickly yourself. I know because this process used to take me days to do myself. But remember when I said if you want to create time freedom from your business, you need to automate these types of tasks so that you're not always tied to your laptop. Let me show you how you can schedule this product research step so that it automatically happens on a weekly basis for you, so you always know which products are trending right now. Watch. All you have to do is, in our existing chat, ask Accio Work to turn this product research into a weekly automated task that runs every Monday morning at 8 a.m. Then hit submit. Then the AI agent turns this entire chat into an automated task for me. And right here, you can see that it confirms that my chat is now converted into a recurring task that will run every week for me. If you want to review your automations or scheduled tasks, you can see them all by clicking Scheduled Tasks here in the left menu. But now that this task is set up and running, every Monday morning, all I have to do is open this chat, and the Accio Work agent will have already researched the top trending products of the week and created a report for me without me even having to open my laptop. You can literally close your laptop and walk away, and it will still complete the task for you. So if a new trending product pops up, you can start promoting it or selling it before everyone else knows it even exists. This is something Claude cannot do, by the way. You need to have your laptop open for Claude to do tasks for you. And remember, this was just one simple example. You can customize this task in whichever way you want, or create even more detailed automations for your business as well, like getting the AI agent to write new marketing emails for you every week. And you can even create an agent that sends and responds to your emails for you. Pretty much any tedious business task you manually do yourself, you can now offload to an agent here inside Accio Work to free up your time. I'm going to keep the automation part of this tutorial simple for now, but if you want me to create a follow-up tutorial going into more detail on how to create automated tasks like this, let me know in the comments. If enough people are interested, I'll create a follow-up tutorial to this one. But let me go back for a second, because what if instead of promoting other people's products for a commission as an affiliate, you want to create your own e-commerce brand and sell products like this yourself through a Shopify store? Don't get me wrong, I love affiliate marketing because you don't have to buy any inventory or ship anything yourself, but with affiliate marketing, you only earn a small % of the profit as a commission. And the commission can be anywhere from just 4 to 10% on average, or 30 to 40% on higher ticket products. But when you sell the products yourself in your own online store, you get to keep 100% of the profit to yourself. The only difference is you have to source, buy, and ship the products yourself and manage the online store. But the financial trade-off can be worth it if you do it right. But if the thought of sourcing products and managing your own online store sounds a bit overwhelming, Accio Work was built for this and actually makes the process really simple. Watch. When I come back to our existing chat and click this button here that says Plugins, I can turn on this toggle here that says Accio Sourcing Toolkit, which directly links your Accio Work account to 𝗕𝗿𝗚.com so that it can source products and chat and negotiate with suppliers for you in real time. You can literally walk away from your laptop while Accio Work does all of this work for you. Chatting with suppliers and negotiating prices for you is absolutely not something Claude Code can do, or literally any other AI tool out there right now, because they don't have direct access to 𝗕𝗿𝗚.com like Accio Work does. Again, it's easier if I show you what I mean. So let's go back to the product research Accio Work did for us in the last step. And let's say you wanted to create your own Shopify store selling a product just like the #1 choice on this list. All you have to do is toggle on the Accio Sourcing Toolkit like I just showed you, then connect Accio Work to your Alibaba account, giving it authorization by clicking here. Or if you don't already have an 𝗕𝗿𝗚.com account, you can create one quickly for free right here. Then give Accio Work this second prompt that you can see right here. I want you to source a similar product to your #1 suggested product from the report you just created. Give me a list of the top 3 suppliers you would recommend based on the lowest minimum order quantity, highest seller rating, and any other criteria that would help me find the best supplier for this product. Then once you submit this prompt, Accio Work again reviews it, creates a task list to complete it, and then starts searching for the top product suppliers on 𝗕𝗿𝗚.com. In a second, I'll show you how Accio Work can also help you build your Shopify store too. But when Accio Work has finished this task, you can see it accessed 𝗕𝗿𝗚.com, searched for the best suppliers for our product, and then created a new report with the top suppliers listed in order for you. And when I open the report, you can see it gives a full breakdown of which suppliers it recommends and why. And it did all this research in less than 5 minutes. When I created my first e-commerce brands on Shopify, it took me months to find suppliers. Now you can literally do it in minutes. But do you want to see the craziest thing I've tested so far that Accio Work can do for you? That frees up so much time? Watch, this is wild. Accio Work can actually chat in real time with these actual suppliers and negotiate the best product price and shipping for you. So if the thought of negotiating makes you nervous, or if sitting at your laptop waiting for suppliers in a completely different time zone to respond to you feels like a waste of time, you don't have to worry about it anymore, because Accio Work will do it for you. Watch. Here you can see the agent is asking if I want it to use the built-in auto chat tool to automatically talk with suppliers on Alibaba.com. And to be honest, because the agent is trained specifically on sourcing and negotiating, it will probably do a better job than I ever could anyways. So I'm going to say yes, and the sourcing agent will literally start a chat with these suppliers for me and start negotiating right away. Again, I can literally walk away and go do whatever else I want while the agent continues chatting and finds the best products at the best prices for me. Look, here you can see the chat in real time. Besides the 3 top suppliers recommended, Accio Work can also find other matching suppliers for you. You can choose the suppliers you want and let Accio Work communicate and negotiate with them on your behalf. Now, I'm going to come back to my Accio Work account and stop this chat because this is just an example for this video. And real quick, like I mentioned earlier, Accio Work can also help you build your entire Shopify store too. When you click here in the Agents menu, you can see that there's also a Shopify agent, which is fully trained to help you plan and build your Shopify store. This is a huge help if you've never built a Shopify store before. But I'm not going to show you how to build a Shopify store in this tutorial because that's actually an entire tutorial of its own. But again, if you want me to create a follow-up video to this one showing you how to do this, let me know in the comments. And what I just showed you here is just 2 simple ways that you can use AI to help you build an online business faster. But this is just the very tip of the iceberg of what Accio Work can help you do. You wanted to create a new email marketing flow for you and send it out to your email list? It can do that. You wanted to create social media posts promoting your products and post them for you? It can do that too, and automate the whole process. There's literally nothing stopping you from building the online business you can't stop thinking about. But the most important thing I want you to focus on is this. If you really want to start a successful online business right now, but don't want to be burned out and tied to your laptop for 12 hours a day, it comes down to one thing: picking the right AI tool that can automate tasks for you. So if you want to use Accio Work to help you build your online business, I added the link below to create your free account and get bonus free credits just for signing up. And if you want even more help from me to build your online business with AI, join my community. There I go live to answer your questions in real time and give you more in-depth AI strategies to help you build faster. The link to join my community is also down in the description, and hopefully I see you there.